How to transfer crypto from spot wallet to P2P wallet on Binance. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can transfer crypto from spot wallet to P2P wallet on Binance, so make sure to watch the video till the end. To transfer crypto on Binance from spot wallet to P2P wallet, open up your Binance. Then simply go to the Wallets tab from the bottom right of the screen. Once you're here on the Wallets tab, simply go to the option called Spot. Now from Spot, this is the kind of interface you will see. Since you want to transfer to your P2P wallet, make sure that you have got enough balance, then tap on the transfer option. Now when you tap on transfer option, you can see from spot wallet to funding. Now if you're wondering that where is the P2P option whenever you want to change this funding option here, well, they basically changed it. Your P2P basically means funding, so you just have to select funding here instead of P2P because that word is basically the same. Then you can enter the coin that you want to transfer and the amount, and then just follow and continue the transfer. But to give you an idea, this is how you can transfer crypto from spot wallet to P2P wallet on Binance. Hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.